Students, last class we saw about the lesson 1 measurement. Today we are going to see about the textbook exercise. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, choose the correct one. Millimeter is less than centimeter. Centimeter is less than meter. Meter is less than kilometer. Next, millimeter is greater than centimeter. Centimeter is greater than meter. Meter is greater than kilometer. C. Kilometer is less than meter, meter is less than centimeter, centimeter is less than millimeter. Next D. Millimeter is greater than meter, meter is greater than centimeter, centimeter is greater than kilometer. The correct one is millimeter is less than centimeter, centimeter is less than meter, meter is less than kilometer. Option A is correct. Second one. Rulers, measuring tapes and meter scales are used to measure A. Mass, B. Weight, C. Time, D. Length. Answer is length. Third one, 1 metric ton is equal to A. 100 quintals, B. 10 quintals, C. 1 by 10 quintals, D. 1 by 100 quintals. Answer is B. 10 quintals. Fourth one, which among the following is not a device to measure mass? A. Spring balance, B. Beam balance, C. Physical balance, D. Digital balance. Answer is A. Spring balance. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, meter is the unit of dash, length. Second one, 1 kg of rice is weighed by dash, beam balance. Third one, thickness of a cricket ball is measured by vernier caliper. Fourth one, radius of a thin wire is measured by screw gauge. Fifth one, a physical balance measures small differences in mass up to 1 milligram or less. Next, third Roman, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the SI unit of electric current is kilogram. False. The correct statement is SI unit of electric current is ampere. Second one, kilometer is one of the SI units of measurement. True. Third one, in everyday life we use the term weight instead of mass. True. Fourth one, a physical balance is more sensitive than a beam balance. True. Fifth one, 1 Celsius degree is an interval of 1 Kelvin and 0 degree Celsius is 273.15 Kelvin. True. Sixth one, with the help of vernier caliper, we can have an accuracy of 0.1 millimeter and with the screw gauge, we can have an accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. True. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. First, length. The SI unit of length is meter. Next, mass. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Time. SI unit of time is second. Temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Next, second. Screw gauge. Coin. Vernier caliper. Cricket ball. Beam balance. Vegetables. Digital balance. Gold ornaments. Next, answer the following. First one, define measurement. Measurement is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature. Next, second one, define standard unit. Unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature. Next, third one. Write the need of a standard unit. A standard unit is needed to maintain uniformity in measurements like length, weight, size and distance. Standard unit of length is meter. Next, fourth one. Define least count of any device. The distance moved by the tip of the screw for a rotation of one division on the head scale is called the least count of the screw gauge. Least count of a screw gauge LC is equal to value of one smallest pitch scale reading by total number of head scale division. LC is equal to 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Next, fifth question. How will you measure the least count of vernier caliper? Least count or LC is the minimum reading or value that can be measured with a measuring tool or device. Next, sixth question. What do you know about pitch of screw gauge? The pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. It is equal to 1 millimeter in typical screw gauges. So, pitch of the screw is equal to distance moved by the pitch by number of rotations by head scale. Students, read and revise. Choose the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. True or false? Match the following and the 6 question answer. Next class, we will see about the detailed question and problems. Thank you, children.